Somebody's on here off the kitchen. Go, go, go. Generator's kind of far. So is the fuse. It's unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Fuse is under the house. Teleporting, 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 teleporting. I wonder if in this situation, if I should guard the house. Probably. I saw that Virginia, just acting like I didn't. Oh shit, I hit someone. Who the fuck I hit? Oh, she ran the other way. Oh shit, there's two of them right here. Got her, nice. Got the Julie, let's go. We probably need to go back up. Motorboat. My favorite. Motorboating Julie. My favorite, my favorite. Found him, I knew I'd find him. Okay, so we killed two of them, that's really good. Oh, there's a fart lady. You get more farts? Prepared? There, he already destroyed that, bro. Where are you going? Where are you going? What are we doing? Yeah? Okay, GG easy. You want that motorboat? Oh, you wanted the motorboat. Okay, I'll give you it. She wanted it, dude. She wanted it. There we go. Took 5 hits to kill her. That's crazy. She had any powder though. Kind of surprised. She didn't restock. Fag ramp I at. Clutch X Gods. Alright, Leland, you gonna clutch this, bro? What you doing? What you doing? Is he in the basement? Oh, he is in the basement, okay. Oh, he is coming. Oh, he's bullying my Bubba. That's not nice. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. That is very mean. That is very, very mean, bro. He barged me after I ran out of stamina. What? Why would you do that? Oh, get fucked. Nice. Thought my Bubba's getting bullied for a second, but he's winning. Yeah, run into that trap real quick for me. Dumbass. Fucking dumbass. Yeah, run upstairs real quick. Okay. Look at his blood, bro. We don't have a barrier, right? Yeah, we did. Man, it's so hard to see with this sun behind me. He's hiding in this room, I think. Hey. Did he hack? Is he hacking? Yeah, he's hacking. Fucking dog shit, dude. Gotcha. One's in my trap. Damn, Leland, that's pathetic, bro. You gotta hack to win the game. Pathetic, dude. Pathetic. This guy's so mad. Oh, he's in a trap again. Caught up in a trap. Yeah, these guys are weird, the way they're playing. Might be a team of hackers. It's all good, I'll just block him. I don't have to play against him again. Saul Goodman. Saul Goodman. Gotcha. Where are we going, bro? Where are you going, bro? GG easy. Where are you going, bro? Motorboat time. Teabag. Is this a 4-stack? These guys are really bad. No wonder why they're hacking. Let me see. So yeah, I think this is a 4-stack, right? I'll just ban all of them or block all of them. Nice. Now I never have to play against them again. Fuck. But I was hiding in the corner, dude. But I was hiding in the corner, bro. They do have... Okay, the Sunny is up. Wait, who's that? Oh, that's not Leland. Okay. My Johnny, I think, is looking at the stars or some shit. Like, literally. Is he watching anything? No, he's watching the door. Is that the only door that they opened? So maybe they're still in the basement because he's just watching that one door. I said maybe. Right, they got the fuse open too. Me no likey that, dude. Me no likey that. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. You're not able to put 2 traps on. It's kind of stupid.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
If I was Sunny looking for a fuse, where would I go? Is that the Sunny? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, where's the Maria at? I think, wait, both of them are in the basement, I think, actually. I think they're having a tough time getting this Leland or something, or this Sunny, I mean. Someone dying. Or not. What are these guys doing? Shit, Maria has hella points. She's got one of these doors open. Yeah. Is this still in the basement? I kind of don't really want to defend this. Okay, he's back up top. Oh, she's right here. Found him, I knew I'd find him. Found him, I knew I'd find him. Okay, I can't swing, I'm inside of her? What? Hello? This game is such bullshit, man. Watch out! We don't have exterior alarms. Fuck. Oh, I see him. I think he's up here. Oh, yeah, he's over here. He's on me. I'm like right behind him. He's at the fuse in the middle. He's running to the main middle. He's probably gonna well over here. Yeah, he's going down well. Dude, what the fuck is this shit? You dumbass character. Dude, I'm so fast. Alright, GG. Where's that?